Hello. Today we are going to talk about how to form the negative in French. And I'm going to give you some information that's different from what your textbook does. So be sure you pay attention to this. So the negative in French has two parts. The first part is the ne. Oh my goodness, this is way too long, okay? Which is also an apostrophe before a vowel or before an H. And the second part is the pas. Now, if you've ever studied French before, then you've probably heard and the same thing that your text has said, which is that the ne and the pas go around the verb. I don't like having students learn it that way because very soon we'll be dealing with direct objects. A direct object is, for instance, when I say, I don't like it. The it is a direct object pronoun, I should say. And once we start working with those, then the whole ne pas going around the verb rule gets really messed up. So if you learn how to form the negative this way, then you won't have problems later on. So the ne, here's what I want you to remember, and I will drill you on this in class. I will ask you to turn on your microphones and tell me what this rule is. The ne follows the subject, the pas follows the conjugated verb. You've learned that we can have sometimes more than one verb in a sentence. For instance, j'aime étudier. Aime is the conjugated verb. Étudier is an infinitive. The ne is going to follow the subject, so it's going to come after the je. And the pas is going to follow the aime. Je n'aime pas étudier. Okay, so here are some examples. Je ne chante pas. Ne follows the subject, which is je. Pas follows the verb. There is only one verb in this sentence. Ils n'habitent pas en France. They don't live in France. So ne follows the subject. It's an N apostrophe because the verb this time starts with an H. Pas follows that verb. Adverbs get added after the pas. So for instance, il ne nage pas bien. He doesn't swim well. Vous ne travaillez pas beaucoup. You don't work much. Tu ne parles pas souvent. You don't speak often. Okay, now is there a way for me to like mark on here? Oh, this slide has no notes. Okay, but oh goodness, what just happened? I do not want to go to PowerPoint Online. Oh, look at that. Wow, interesting. Whoa, very interesting. All right, so I'm just going to stop now.